It's football tailgating season, and Sun Devil fans are in full swing. Lifestyle expert Rachel Harris is here with fan favorite food and drink ideas made with ASU partner Shamrock Farms products that are crowd-pleasing and easy to make. Welcome.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here, Teresa. Football season has arrived. I get to wear my ASU mom shirt. I am a proud mom of an ASU alumni, my son. The reason I have that on is I have something really cool to tell you about.
Okay, I'm ready.
So our hometown dairy, Shamrock Farms, you know, they've been serving Arizona for over 100 years. Shamrock Farms has teamed up with ASU. They have entered into a 5-year partnership with a shared commitment on health, performance, and community. Gotta love that. And I keep looking over here because it's gonna start with some notes about these rockin' protein drinks.
Tell me, because you know I have 2 teenage athletes at home.
They will love these. Well, let me tell you, part of that partnership is you're going to see Shamrock Farms dairy and products and these great drinks out in the stadium, tailgating, which is what we're talking about today. We got some tailgating, food and drink ideas, and ASU student athletes can head on over to the Rockin' Protein Refuel Bar, which will be in their training facility, to get these drinks.
It's a bar, but it's a different kind of college bar.
It's the right kind of bar.
Because everybody is trying to get their protein in these days.
It's so true, and this is a good one because every bottle packs 30 to 50 grams of protein.
I see you got some various flavors in here: strawberry, vanilla, guessing a chocolate.
Yes, and I'm going to give you a chocolate. Take that home to your son.
Thank you.
Let's give you a couple. You've got 2 boys, right? So they can try it.
I'll make them fight over who
That's
gets...
it. You got the. I like the 2 sizes. And what's great too is those flavors you talked about taste so great, and it's not gritty.
Look
it's
at that.
Such a good drink.
50 grams of protein in this.
There
That's
you
not
go.
easy to get.
I know.
I love your snack ideas for game day tailgating.
And that was one of the ideas for a unique drink, because everybody expects sodas and beer, but you put these out, they're going to love it. So let's get busy. I'm going to have you make one of our ideas.
Good.
This is a loaded sour cream dip. We've already got Shamrock Farms sour cream in there and cream cheese that we softened. Go ahead and dump in the ingredients. We got some ranch seasoning.
Oh, okay, that's smart.
Oh, yeah. Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Always good.
About 2 slices of bacon, chives, and sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm going to have you mix that around. And while you're mixing that around, let me tell you why I love their sour cream. It does not have any artificial preservatives, no thickeners. You got to love that.
And I love that it's made right here in Arizona.
Right here in Arizona, the hometown dairy. And we already have it plated. So you put it out with chips and veggies. All right,
this was easy.
I know.
Well, you did the hard part.
Well, just prepared it for you.
Yeah, exactly.
No, nice and easy. Okay, now, I don't know about your attendees at your tailgate, but I have a lot of friends with a big sweet tooth.
Sure.
When they see that you have a toffee chip fruit dip, they're going to go nuts. And it also uses the sour cream, so we're stretching your grocery store dollar, rather. That has toffee chips in there. And also, again, that Shamrock Farms sour cream. And oh my gosh, when I made this, Teresa, I had way more than my fair share.
So in this toffee dip, you use the sour cream?
Oh yeah, it is super addictive.
Gorgeous.
And that sour cream is rich and creamy, perfect for dipping, mixing, and topping. It's not good. All right, another unique drink idea. Love it? I know. It's addictive. I know. So another unique drink idea is to have the Shamrock Farms on-the-go milks. So they've got these fun flavors like a birthday cake. They've also got cookies and cream and strawberry, and these are packed with 13 essential nutrients like protein, vitamin D, calcium, potassium, and the resealable lids are perfect for tailgating.
I'm still chewing, but I got to tell you, this little bottle packs a punch with 12 grams of protein. I just noticed on the back
More protein. And then last but not least, mac and cheese. We use Shamrock Farms whole milk for that. Who's not going to want mac and cheese? All done in one stovetop recipe. You can get all these recipes at shamrockfarms.net, and be sure to go to their Instagram page at Shamrock Farms Milk. They have tons more recipes and great ideas, and I'm ready for some football. How about you?
Same. Great recipes and ideas. Thank you so much, Rachel Harris, Shamrock Farms. For all these recipes and any information that Rachel just shared, you can also check out our website, CW7AZ.com.